Hi guys, hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. I'm sharing my journey across India right now. I am traveling by train and along the way. Okay, let's start my journey with together. I'm very happy. Let's start our video. Okay, first I enjoyed some delicious Rajma chawal and I am now heading towards Mountabu, nestled in the beautiful Aravalli hills of Rajasthan. I keeping sharing more glimpses of my trip with you all. Thank you. So let's start. I found a monkey and the view is very beautiful. I like this place. You must be travel in this place. Bye. Thank you.